So let's go ahead and plug it in and charge it. So I'm going to pick it up. I'm going to bring it over here because I've got a cord right there. I'm just going to set her down there. I'm going to pull out this. Now remember, when you do put it in the pool, make sure you put this thing back in there. You don't want water getting in that. So let's go ahead and grab our charger. All right, let's bring her around. Let's go ahead, we'll plug her in. And you're going to notice there's a little groove in this right here, so you're going to match the groove up to get this on there right, okay? So there I go, I got it in. Let me show you again. All right, so look, you see that little thing there, that indentation? The back of that's got to go to that. So I'm putting it like that, right? Then I'm going to push it in. Now we got to make sure this thing's fully charged before we put it in the pool and use it for the first time. So let's go ahead and get her in there. And there we go. So we got a green light, and I don't know if that's telling me it's fully charged or not, but we'll just let it sit there for a little bit to make sure we get a whole total charge on it, because it came with the battery already kicked in. So we'll see what happens. So if you look at this, it's telling me that we've got to make sure it's fully charged, and it shows that if it's red, it's charging. If it's green, it's fully charged. So we got a green light, so I think we're good. All right, as you can see, this thing is fully charged. Now it's telling me to tie this on here, so I'm just going to put a half hitch on it. I'm going to come through here, slide this through once, then come back through again, like that, and then, bam, Bob's your uncle. And that should be enough to pick it up out of the water. You follow me? Now, as you can see, this has got a lot of rope on it. Look at it. Look at this. I mean, it's got about 6 feet of line, so you should be able to get it out of there. All right, so this is all green, so I think it's ready to go. So I think we just got to unplug it. All right, and then we got to make sure that we put this down on here, because you don't want water getting in there. So you got to plug that all the way in. All right, and then we can just take this out of here. Just going to wrap it up and set it over here for right now. Now this is ready to go. So we just got to take her outside, and we're going to put it in the pool.